In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft and schedule an engaging social media post using Hootsuite on Google Chrome. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring that you come away feeling confident and ready to boost your online presence. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once that's up and running, navigate to the Hootsuite website. If you're not signed in already, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial. Once logged in, you should see your Hootsuite dashboard with all its functionalities at your fingertips. Now let's get started on crafting your post. Find and click the option that says Compose. This is usually located at the top of your dashboard for easy access. Clicking on Compose opens up the box where all the magic happens. You'll be crafting your amazing post here. Begin typing your message in the text box. When you're ready to mention someone in your post, simply type the @ symbol followed by the person's username. Don't worry if the username doesn't appear immediately. Hootsuite conveniently provides a drop-down list featuring usernames that match what you're typing. This feature is incredibly helpful as it speeds up the process and reduces errors, especially if you're not sure about the spelling of the username. Simply scroll through the list and select the correct user directly from this drop-down. With your tagged user in place, it's time to give your post that final polish. Add any remaining text, hashtags, or even emojis to enhance engagement with your audience. Consider tweaking the tone to suit your target demographic or including a call to action if that's part of your strategy. A well-rounded post can do wonders for interaction rates. You're now faced with two choices. Either schedule your meticulously crafted post to go live at a future time, or publish it immediately. Scheduling can be particularly beneficial if you're managing a hectic posting calendar or aiming to reach peak interaction times that align with your target audience's activity. To do this, look for the Schedule button. Click it, and then pick your desired date and time. Hootsuite will handle the rest, ensuring your post goes live exactly when you want it to. But if you're ready to share your content with the world, simply hit the Publish button and watch your post take its place on the digital stage. There you have it. You've just created and scheduled a post using Hootsuite on Chrome. With these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to mastering social media management. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy posting!